I'm doing a full face using IT Cosmetics, but unfortunately there are a couple things that I don't have. I don't have an eyeliner, which I'm actually not even sure if they have an eyeliner or not, but I don't have that, so we'll have to work something out. I don't have lashes because I don't believe IT Cosmetics has lashes, so I'm just going to use my own pair. And I don't have primer. I don't have primer. That's the only thing that I know for sure that they do have that I do not have in my possession. So I'm just going to start with my own primer. I'm going to use the Professional from Benefit just because it's my tried and true. I use it all the time, so I already know how it works. So if I know that something on my face isn't working, I know it's not the primer. You know, I have no idea why I started with my face because typically I never start with my face. So we're just going to kind of go all over the place, but I'm actually going to go into my brows. And so for brows, I have the IT Cosmetics Brow Power, and this is the Universal Brow Pencil. Right now I know that they only have one color in this Universal Brow pencil or whatever. IT Cosmetics has like 2 other brow pencils or brow products, but I don't know, this one sounded interesting and it got good reviews. I am a little nervous because it is a universal brow product, but I mean, that's what first impressions are for. Alright, so this is in Universal Taupe, so we're just gonna pray for the best. This product is pulling really warm, and I don't know if I like it. Usually when I think of a taupe, I think it's a happy medium. Like there is some cool tone, some warm tone. To me this is pulling a little warm. It matches like the ends of my hair, so I don't think it'll be too bad. So we'll just have to keep trying it out. I would want a different color. I would actually like it a little more cool toned, but it was pretty good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and carve out my brows. I don't have the concealer that I usually would use because it's not IT Cosmetics. But for concealer, I do have the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer, and this one is in the shade Medium, which I have no idea if medium is my color because I'm pretty fair nowadays, so. While we're here carving out the eyebrows, I'm also going to put concealer all over my eyelids to use as primer for our eyeshadow. Whoa, okay, so first of all, this is like tacky. This is, oh my. Well, my eyelids are covered, my eyebrows are carved. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this Beaut. Look at, oh my god. This is one of the gifts that my cousin Fonzie gave me for Christmas. If you have not seen my What I Got for Christmas video, I'll put it up in the cards so you can see all of the products that he got me. It was kind of insane and the reason I'm doing this video. But this is the It Girl palette. It comes with 2 sides of eyeshadow, so one right here, and then like an ombre highlight blush. I am going to go into the color Lovely. I'm going to put that into my crease and above my crease. I'm just going to use this as the transition color. Now I'm going to deepen up my outer V. I'm going to take Divine, which is a very deep brown. Alright, I'm going to come back with the first brush we used. No product, and I'm just going to use it to blend. We are going to go into Glitz. Glitz should be much brighter. And since I am using a double-sided brush, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure all is blended. Alrighty, and for highlight, I guess I'm just going to go in with the highlight that is right here. I'm going to put that right under my arch. Alright, so that is the eyeshadow. I'm just going to go ahead and pop on some lashes because, like I said before, I don't have any ITcosmetics lashes. So I'm just going to use these Kiss Faux Mink lashes in the style Midnight. So yeah, I'll see you back when I have lashes. Alright guys, so my lashes are on and now we can move on to the face. So for the face, I have, is this it? Yes, okay. So I already put on my primer at the very beginning. And now I'm going to go in with the CC Full Coverage Cream. I can't talk. Okay, this is the Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream plus Anti-Aging Hydration Serum. And it has an SPF of 50. That's a lot. Do this together. Okay. That's pretty thick for a CC cream. Undertone looks like it's gonna be good. Let's see. It says it's a full coverage cream. So yeah, I had a feeling this was not going to be as full coverage as the foundations that I use. But first of all, because it's a CC cream, look at that glow. I really love the finish of this. Coverage, it is not covering my dark spots, like over here. I have some scarring and whatnot. It's not really covering it. Alright, now for concealer, we're going to go back in, where is it? To the Bye Bye Under Eye, which again apparently is really thick, so I'm glad I know that before I go under my eyes. I'm going to do like a small tiny dab under the eye, probably right here. I'm going to blend it in. Can you even see? Look how tiny. I'm gonna blend it in with my beauty blender. It's a lot more brightening than I thought it was gonna be, but I think medium's actually perfect. And again, I really like the finish of it with the CC cream. Huh, that looks really good. Alright. Now we're going to go back into the Bye Bye Pores pressed powder to set the under eyes and the entire face. Okay, so for under eyes, I'm going to take my small Real Techniques brush. Oh, that like really mattified. Oh wow. I'm kind of sad it took away that like really pretty glow that it had. I'm going to take my really fluffy brush that I use for powder and just pack it. That does not look good. Okay, no, what is going on? Well, that was interesting. So, I've set the whole right side of my face. As you can tell, it definitely took away some of the CC cream because you can see right over here, it's a mess. It's a freaking mess, okay? Things are just popping out. Whatever cream is like patchy, it's gone. Let's just go ahead and set the other side and ruin everything. I was loving the CC cream until I set it with that powder. Now I'm going to go and take the ITcosmetics Superhero Mascara. So I already tried this mascara when I did it on my top lashes before I put on my falsies, and I really liked it. So I'm hoping I'm going to like it for my lower lashes as well. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Alright, so everything that I need in the next step is right here in this compact, and this is the It Your Most Beautiful You. And this is a bam! It's a bronzer, highlight, and blush trio. So I'm going to use this for my whole face. Yeah, So let's just go ahead and try it. I'm gonna go into the bronzer first with this really big fluffy brush. I don't even know. I don't like my face. If I don't like it, I don't even know if I don't like it. Oh, well, it's looking pretty good so far because my foundation is just a mess. I still think, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go into blush. This one right here. Oh, my face is just gonna come off. Okay, that is pink. That is pigmented. Okay, whoops, sorry. Sorry. I just made my face really, really pink. Okay, calm it down. Calm it down. Okay, let's test this highlighter, shall we? Let's test it, okay? Let's just oh, okay, okay. Alright. Okay, alright. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. It's pulling pink, but that might just be from the blush, because the blush was not a matte blush. You can't even see it when I put it on my forehead. I'm like putting so much. It looks good on the cheeks. It looks like my cheeks are wet. Okay. Interesting. Okay. Whew. We are at the last step. Lips. Okay, so this is the Your Lips But Better All Day Waterproof Lip Liner, and I got it in the color Blushing Nude, and I thought I would just fill my whole lips with it. I think it'll be fine. Let's just try it out. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And it's a twistable lip liner, which I like. Oh no, this is the perfect color. Nice. I like this color a lot. Alright, so I guess that is everything. I used all of my products. My full face is done. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you have not already, please, please, please hit that subscribe button. I would really, really appreciate it, and it helps me out so, so much. Yeah, I guess that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!